got this big mulberry I'm gonna try to slab up today because I just had somebody stop by and wanted some walnut lumber that I milled up, and so they bought a couple of pieces. And he's like, if you get some more lumber milled up, let me know, because he's a local guy and he's always looking for new suppliers. So he said that he would buy some more walnut lumber, and he'll buy whatever lumber I get off this mulberry. There's a white oak that I need to get milled up. There's a white oak I need to get milled up. Those, he said he'll buy those. So I found a new customer for wood, and that kind of makes me feel good, because I thought milling all this wood that I have laying around here would not get sold or anything. So I'm kind of glad that somebody needs wood and they're local and everything like that. So kind of happy about that. So I got to take this shroud off. I got to loosen up this big old bolt all the way out so I can slide this in to get the blade off. Then I got to put a new one on and then pull this out, tighten it up, and you know, all that stuff. So when I get the new blade on here and stuff, and I will be back when I get the new blade on. Ooh, look at that. This is what mulberry looks like. This is going to be some cool ass wood right here. Hey guys, just wanted to show you what I got done so far. I got 3, and I think they're about 2 inch. This is over 2 inches thick. And this is mulberry. Pretty cool grain and pretty cool stuff in that. So, yep, I'm gonna keep slabbing 2 inches until I get all the way down, and then I'll quit for the day, and then tomorrow probably I want to make some end tables, but this is maple and it's splattered maple, so this would be cool to take like a 3-inch, take a couple of 3-inch thickness slabs out of that and sand them down and make some end tables or whatever. And then I got the white oak, white oak, white oak, and then I got to get those walnut logs done this week, this coming up week. And then I got a bunch of other miscellaneous shit out there I can mill up too. So, alright, just wanted to show you what the process is and how it's going. Well, there we go, guys. 7 slabs of mulberry that are over 2 inches thick. There's a couple in here that are like 3 inches thick. Thicker the better. And I already have a buyer for these already. Alrighty, I'm done for the day, and then tomorrow I'll bring the blue loader out back. And I've got to move these two. These two are for firewood. They're already cut up, so you just need to split them. But this guy's looking for white oak. I got 2 or 3, well, this big one here and that one there. Hopefully you can get it sawmilled up tomorrow if the weather doesn't snow or whatever, you know. Let's see. There's some more white oaks up in there. This is a white oak. So yeah, I'll be milling up some white oak tomorrow and whatever other stuff. So, alrighty. You guys have a good night, and yeah, this mulberry turned out pretty good. Alrighty, you guys have a good night. Forgot to tell you, this is a machine I'm using. Alright, have a good night.